How to scroll and move the chart. To scroll back on a chart, left-click on it, hold it, and drag it backward. You might notice that the chart keeps jumping back to the present time whenever the current price changes. To prevent this, press the button with two candles and an arrow pointing to the right. Press the button again to re-enable this feature. Alternatively, you can right-click on the chart and select or deselect the AutoScroll option to enable or disable this feature. Unlike other platforms, MT5 doesn't allow you to click and drag to move the chart freely. Instead, you can only scroll backwards and forward as described. However, you can click and drag on the price axis on the right side to adjust the size of the chart, making them bigger or smaller. Doing the same on the time axis zooms in and out on the chart as you drag. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exclusive videos.